I mean, I'm sure y'all knew it was coming. You know we had to do it. That GHG mix, nigga. That shit always go hard. Zoned out nitty. My Brody Lambo. Woo. You know what it sound like, nigga. Woo. We feeling very blessed out here.
Yeah.
Blessings to everyone.
Bless.
I'm far from impressed. You niggas feel blessed, I feel blessed too. Play my 38 special. And I ain't with all that finesse, my nigga. I'm live and directing, my nigga. You don't want a war, you should change your direction, my nigga. My nigga, I know that you see it. It's view with discretion, my nigga. Flex like my muscles got bigger. Pistol with tuck. That one for all you fuck niggas who wanna low, probably fuck niggas. I be like, what the fuck, nigga? Yeah. I wake up and feel blessed. I feel blessed. Then I blaze up for my stress. It ain't by the track, nigga, check it. I carry my weapon whenever I'm reppin', even without it. I see no limit, so bitch, yeah, I been bout it. Might pull up to take it, little nigga, hop out. Pants sagging while I be walking around. Make your bitch a recruit. Stoop to the level of my dick and put that shit on pedestal. Let her ride the high horse. Now, that hoe is stuck up. And I told her I love her and I give a damn, but I don't give a fuck. And these niggas, they claiming they'll ride, claiming they down, but I know what's up. I wasn't born yesterday, trying to book a room at the top for a forever stay. Need a jet for a getaway. Yup, and niggas be thinking I'm wildin', or maybe a boat. Only vacay I had was on Rikers Island. What kind of resort is this? All gated fence. 2 men till I had stayed up in. Like 23 hours. Every other day it was showers. I'm talking to shoot. Wait, hold up. I don't think that you know about it. Let's get to this money, not jump off the topic. You hoes be the topic. As soon as you top it, I'm different though. I don't gossip, so I promise I keep it quiet. You can throw me that pussy and I swear, oh yeah, I will never go talk about it. Shit, I might catch a body. You might catch a bullet. It go through your body. If you don't survive it, well, fuck it, I guess it's a homie. Murder. I wake up and feel blessed. I feel blessed. Then I blaze up for my stress. I wake up and feel blessed. I feel blessed. True. Then I blaze up for my stress.
Hey, let me get some, bro. Nigga just murdered that shit. My turn. Hey. I woke up like I'm blessed, nigga. Take a shower, get fresh, nigga. Thank God I dodged that arrest, nigga. Now it's back to cashing these checks, nigga. GHG is my set, nigga. Do more, say less, nigga. Wake up and feel blessed, nigga. Cause I done been through that stress, nigga. We all have. Roll up, pour some champagne in a tall glass. I'm blessed, nigga. I'm the shit, yup, just came out of y'all ass. Bless. Little nigga, but you see me flex. I don't want your BM, she just give me neck. All up in my DM, cause you read a text. So I don't trust these hoes, that's total disrespect. Now you tell me who the fuck does that, nigga? You just suck my dick, but you claim that you love that nigga. These hoes ain't got no loyalty. She just give you pussy, but she spoil you me. I got a white bitch, can snort a quarter key. She like, you don't want nothing, that's more for me. Shit, I'm blessed. My daughter 5 and she blessed, nigga. Woo. All them joys on her, yo check, nigga. No Nikes on, I still check, niggas. Woo. Yo wifey on me upset, nigga. I'm blessed. Way up, I stayed up when niggas was pulling me down. Bitch, I'm a king. Tell them to pass me the crown. Stunting on all of my exes, like look at me now. She want me to give her the dick, give her coke and a smile. Woo. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Then I blaze up for my stress. Roll up.